Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Just a quick reminder, there are 2 giveaways going on listed below. Let's see, what else? We are starting our new series today, Cheap Eats. Have we decided on the title yet for this? Cheap Eats. The good, the bad,
and the blah.
And the blah. Is that what we're doing?
I think that's what we're doing.
The good, the bad, and the blah. So,
I don't know how to spell that though.
You just put like a little pukey face.
Fair enough.
Okay.
I think that'll work.
All right, so we are starting with that, and so just to let you know, for us, since we are used to high-end dining, Cheap Eats for us is, and I'm saying this high just in case, because sometimes we like to just get like a bunch of appetizers and stuff like that to eat. Normally people don't do that. Usually they get an appetizer and a meal. Anyway, so for us, Cheap Eats is going to be defined as $25 or less per person. But, honestly, I think that most of them will be able to do for at least $20, as low as $20 per person. But, just to be safe, I do want to say $25 per person. We are not 100% sure where we are going for Cheap Eats today. It's a surprise to us, so it'll be a surprise to you when we get there. See you soon. Bye. Okay, guys, so we decided on the Cheesecake Factory for our first Cheap Eats. It is a chain restaurant, which is something I don't prefer typically, but I do like the Cheesecake Factory. And so John just ordered a Diet Coke, and I ordered some sort of a mint fizz sort of drink. And then what'd you order? The chicken enchiladas? How much were those?
$14.95.
So the chicken enchiladas were $14.95, and I ordered a small plate salad, beet and avocado salad. It was just under $9. And then I also ordered an appetizer for my main course, the avocado egg rolls, which I absolutely love, which are just under $10. So with the drinks that we ordered, it's roughly about $20 a person. So not too bad. I mean, me $25, him $20 a person, so not too bad. And we'll show you the food when it gets here. So this is my drink. Do you remember what it was called? Passion mint fizz is what it was called. Yeah. What's that? What'd you do that? Oh, passion mint fizz. What was that?
Wide angle.
And then we got some bread going on here. I'm not going to take a picture of that. You can see it right there. You go. Cool. So this is my beet and avocado salad. It used to be beet and goat cheese, so I hope it tastes as good. But there it is. And this was just under $9. So again, what are these enchiladas? So again, John's enchiladas were just a little over $14, and then my avocado rolls, just under $10. So not bad, not too shabby for our first Cheap Eats. Okay, you guys, so that was a Cheesecake Factory. We'll throw the receipts up. You can see we just made it under $25 a person, but that was also like with tax and stuff. Obviously that does not include the tip. We tend to be big tippers anyway, especially for Cheap Eats. We're decent tippers. We'll tip anywhere generally from 30 to 50% of the bill. We've been known to occasionally tip 100% of the bill. It just really depends on the circumstance. So I will never include what we tip in these videos as the Cheap Eats, because everybody is different as far as what they like to tip. But that's it. That was our first series for Cheap Eats, and we might be able to get one more in this month. Not 100% sure on that. Sorry, in the car, got bumps. But we'll see. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye.